you for remember whatever goodness way you do as Muslim or as a believer, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and get for return that goodness to you also either in this world or in the hereafter. And that make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in telling the Quran and say man dhal ladhi yuqridu Allah qardan hasanan fayda'ifahu lahu. After then continue say walahu ajrun karim inside Suratul Hadid and say would another person where they trust Allah, where they send loan to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and say afterwards Allah get for multiply that loan, He get for multiply for you, then He give them to the time where you need them the best. Now that make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He haram any loan where they ask for interest. Now inna the only person we get the right for put interest in loan where they pay to mankind as believer. This one na a goodness way in give to you as Muslim, na a goodness way in give to you as a believer. But you the mortal man, you not get the right for that person can take 2,000, then afterwards when the return in count 3,000. You the believer, you not get the right for that person can take 1 million loans. At the end, where the person the return and can give you 1,100,000. It is very undone in Islam. So Allah na in acts with this. He say would another person where they trust Allah, where they loan Allah. Then afterwards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and say in the return that loan they with a multiple profit. So in say at the afan kathira, it multiply so many times. It depends to the goodness, how you spend them. And the person, it depends how that person where you give in need the particular thing where you give them. If na money, how the person need them the most, and so Allah they gladly they happy for you, they multiply for you. If na food you give to person, how that person satisfied with that food where you give to them, and so Allah they multiply for you as a goodness. So with this, we as believer, we for try all possible means that we get a good heart. But you see certain people them where they do goodness, pass them get for consult. Some man they say passing consulting wife. Some wife they say passing consulting man. So some of them goodness they are now so it continue till it begin expose them to the public. So if you want to do goodness, the best goodness where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala recommend, where in prefer, say now where the right hand they pull gi, then the left no for say the right don't pull gi. Say now the best. What in Allah mean in this? In say where you the gi, you know for tell person for say now you give this. It is see the one they wait in the gi. Now the one they wait in the gi, now that's what they talk about. Not to the one they wait in the gi. It is see the person they come na public, they talk this person here, if I not been help him yesterday, it been for don't sleep angry. If I not been buy for undressing this occasion, it not been for don't get dressing. While now you give, then the goodness where Allah say they multiply for you, He they reduce that goodness day. So let we get the aqidah, let we get the understanding, and let we get the know-how based on the ethics, how they give something to people then. Where you give, you know for talk, you know for explain. The person where you give, if you go talk, then they not get nothing where they reduce by your blessing, because now in tell people them for let them get the goodness where you self don't give, or your goodness where don't reach them through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in will, now in explain give people them, you not get issue inside it. But if you continue, you tell people them for saying now you they do this, now you they do this, then they one of the things that way they reduce the blessing of the gift where you don't give to mankind, or we don't give to your colleagues, or we don't give to anybody. So let Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make we understand, and let we learn, forgive, and we get the blessing. Then also we learn for safeguard the goodness inside this goodness when I forgive out to people then. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.